Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle and to a cleaning power hour. I have just finished work, the house is in a state, I've just been so busy and I feel like housework has really taken a bit of a backseat recently, which honestly does stress me out. So Nick has just gone to pick up Arabella from his mum's house and I have about an hour before they get back. So I've written out a list of everything that I need to get done. I'm not going to procrastinate and get this house sorted. Often when I haven't got that much time, I will do like a power hour where I'll set a clock, just get through everything that I need to get done, and I find it really motivating. So hopefully this will give you some motivation too. Normally when I'm cleaning I do it room by room, but I've decided I'm mixing it up a little bit today and I'm going to do it by task instead. So we'll do all of the dusting, all of the vacuuming, etc. And yeah, I'll let you know how I get on with it. So first up is the dining room, aka office, as Nick and I both work in here for a couple of days during the week and it can easily get quite messy and dusty, so I do like to clear it and give the table a good clean ready for the weekend. As it is glass, the table can also get quite a lot of smears on it too. I just moved the monitors to the end of the table so they are out the way, and once the table was cleared and dusted, then I used the pink stuff window cleaner to get rid of all of the smears from the table. Whilst I was dusting, I also just dusted the cabinet in here, the window sills and the mirrors. Next up is the hallway, which again I dusted quickly and then cleaned the mirror. And then I moved on to the living room to continue the dusting, and I do have to say that I did find this method of doing all of the dusting at the same time quite effective and efficient. I sorted the cushions on the sofa in the living room before moving into the kitchen. Again, dusting with the Pledge Fluffy Duster, which is fantastic for picking up lots of dust and makes dusting like frames and shelves really easy. I think I'm finally happy with this corner of the kitchen and the little coffee area that I've created. That's all the dusting done downstairs, so next on my list is to put the washing away and then empty the dishwasher. once the dishwasher was unloaded and reloaded, I really wanted to clean the cupboards, but I was starting to run shorter on time, so decided that I would actually use my spin mop for the task. So what I did is filled the normal mop bowl with warm water and some Zaflora, and then used the mop to clean the cupboards. I honestly can't believe that I've never done this before, as it was so quick and easy, especially compared to doing it by hand like I would normally do, and it looked instantly cleaner. Definitely something that I will be trying again, especially when I'm short on time. There were just a few bottles and bits that I don't like to put in the dishwasher, so wanted to wash those by hand. As you can see, Arabella's back now, so I'm just going to finish wiping these sides, and then thankfully I am almost done. So weird how all of a sudden it looks so dark, but I think because the weather has been so awful recently, it just feels really dark and miserable all of a sudden. I'm literally keeping my fingers crossed for some sun finally this August. So that is the last job I'm going to do, is basically do the vacuuming. So grabbed my Shark vacuum and gave all of the floors a really good going over, and again doing all of the vacuuming of all of the rooms did seem a more efficient way to do things. Once everywhere was vacuumed, I gave the cushions and the sofas a spray with the Febreze and then 1001 on the carpet, and that is it. My hour is up now and the house feels and looks so much better. I feel in much more of a better headspace knowing that the house is now clean too. And actually I'm quite amazed at how much you can get done in an hour when you don't procrastinate and you actually put your mind to it. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video, you found it useful, motivating. If you're in a bit of a rut and really just need some motivation to get up and get your house clean, definitely try the Power Hour. As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you again next time. Bye!